Want a cupcake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want this?
Yeah.
Oh!
This says, we hope you're having fun and
Oo. Bye! Hi, Kel. Akit ka dyan. Wow! Kel, here. There's it. Wow! More balls. Wow, Kel, look. Kel. Kel, ito siya, oh. Kel, look. Kel. One more. You jump. One more.
What did you found?
Oh. Kel, higa tayo. Sarap. Whee! Higa ka, Ke. Oh, higa ka nga. 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh. Diyan. Wow. Wow. Higa. Wow, Kel. Higa. Higa ka, Ke.
Wow.
Higa ka.
Why did you? I saw you earlier. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey, I found something.
You're walking on water, Ke. Wow. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, diyan. Dito ka sa tubig. Wala na siyang masyadong sand, no?
madam?
Marami.
Like, nako-cover talaga yung...
Wow! Wow! Ganda! Sige, go! Wow! Uh-oh! Wow! Yeah! Sige, Ke! Wow! Kailan yung balls, oh? Kaya, ayun yung bolsa na ko. Baka maraming balls. Oh. Sige, go! Bomba! 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 Hindi, dito lang siya kaya. Ano mo? Ayaw niya. Malaki yung ball. Wag yan. Sira yata yan, ke eh. Dun, ke. Wow! Oh, catch ka fish. One coffee po. One coffee po. And one donut.
What?
Yes po.
Ola?
Donut, yes po. Thank you po. Dito, ke, dito. Kahit wag ka nang pumunta dyan. Kel! No! You can't! Go down, Kel! Go down! Doctor! Hi, Doc! Oh, tignan mo yung x-ray ng hand ko. Yung ganun. One, two, three, jump! Merry Christmas, Daddy! Ikaw. We miss you.
I see you.
Okay, kiss mo daw si Daddy. Kiss. Mwah. Merry Christmas, Daddy.
I see you.
We love you. Oh, thank you sa gift po. Thank you po sa mga gifts. Sabi mo. Thank you sa gifts, Daddy. Love you.
Daddy.
1, 2, 3, go! Merry Christmas, Daddy! Oy, ke. Ah, bilis. Oh, okay. Ay, parehas! Office mate ko.
Ilang adwa ba?
Hindi, parehas sila. Ba't niya ka ako itang metong kanyang office mate ko? Kay Tito Archie. Tsaka kay Kuya Caleb. Sino yan? From Daddy and Mama again. Oh, open it. Konti na lang po, amo. Ano yan? Play-Doh. Baka mata. Ay, babe. Kanino yan galing? Tito, Wiz, Tita Mia, and Ate Yoni.
Kapit lang silip-silipan niya yan, magsipayan.
Ano kaya yan? What's that? Wow! Kel, sino yan? Boat! Wow! Ship ni Daddy. It's from Mama. Okay. Oh. Kel, go! Ano yan?
Oh, sino yung get?
Bumblebee ba? Parang di namin siya kasama.
And Daddy and
Oo. Cologne lang to, nak. Huwag mo nang open. Oh, ito pa. Kel, ito.
Daddy and
It's from Ate Yoni, Tito Wiz, and Tita Mia. Wow! Gagamitan daw yung school din eh.
nakagamit na, no?
Name. It's from Daddy and Mama. Sino yan?
Are you happy?
Patrol. Demand si Paul Patrol.
Wow! Ali! Sa likod ko no, bukas ka niyan.
Wow.
Next. Oh,
Hindi mo kanya. Wala candy.
it's from your teacher, Teacher Jewel and Teacher Jel. Wow. Open mo. Oh, next. Bilisan mo na. Oh, bilisan mo na. It's from
Oh, pareho na.
It's from Wow! O, ito muna mamaya yan. Dito muna tayo. Mamaya yan. Ito muna.
Kanino galing yan? Galing. And Daddy.
Ah, Eli, open.
Sige.
Wow! It's the guitar.
Oh.
Lalawi ka rin.
Oy. Focus. Kanino yan? Ah. Kelo. It's a tree. Yan.
Kanino galing yan?
Okay.
And Daddy or Mama.
Okay. Oh.
Yan, kanino galing?
Okay, oh. Sino yan? Yan yung...
Uy!
Kel, ano yan?
Volby.
Kel, look! What's that?
Katuglong dalareta tayo.
Ano yan? Uy! Sino yan, Ke? Ano yan? O, ano yan? It's a Paw Patrol bus!
Pachekan yun, may pati ako mo, mga sago.
Wow! Diba?
Lamig pa pa sa'yo, makalap yan.
Next, kanino yan galing? It's from
Oh, what's that?
My bill.
Daddy and
Jumis.
Kel. Daddy and Mama. Sino yan? Sino yan?
Ay, si Hobo.
Ayun!
Sino kasi yun?
Sino yan?
Sino to? Sino to?
Optimus Prime. May prize pa yata. Next. O yan. Mamaya yan, mamaya. Ito muna.
Natin big
O,
winner.
ito muna.
Di pa na.
Kanino? Tito Dre. No, it's Tito Dre, Tita Monica, and Ellie.
Pambili dito doon.
Na? 1 year kong pinag-ipunan yan.
Ay, sa tulong. Nilo.
Wow!
Yun pa. Yun o.
Pag... Oh, yan. Oh,
Daddy and Mama.
no, it's from Tita Kim. It's from Tita Kim. Oh, what will you say, Tita Kim? Oh, thank you, Tita. Oh. Oh, yan.
Wow! Ano yan?
Wow. Ano to? Open mo. Oy. 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 Ito, oh. Ano to? Tingnan mo. Wow, chum. Wow.
Next.
Oh, next.
Kaya yung guard na.
Miss pa kaya?
Wala?
What's inside?
Uy!
Uy, sino yan?
Sino? Si Dinosaur!
Galing kay Daddy.
Wow!
Wow!
Kanina yan.
Kanino yan galing? Malaki. Ano kaya yan? Yan na ba? Si Mr. Right?
Yan na nakatambang pool.
Ano yan galing?
Daddy, mama. Galing yan. Kanino galing yan?
Tita Joy!
Bilis na.
May bago kang bag!
Uy! Wow! Bala mo yama. Ay, ayan, oh. Pares kayo ni Ellie. Airplane.
Walang barko.
Oh. Oo, mamaya na lang. Mamaya na.
Dami pa.
Mami, paling dreads na pa yan.
Ano yan?
Yung kanino galing yan? Itong mami.
Kasama kitang... Wow!
Alam mo yun, katabangan nila kaya sa akin.
Oh, yan. Wait lang. Kanino galing yan?
Galing.
Ha?
Mama and daddy.
Okay, mama and daddy.
Paano nila kulere?
Wow, it's a popcorn playmaker, ke. Wow. Oh, next.
Yan, kanino galing yan?
Saan yan?
Oh, later ulit. Oh, iba, open mo. Yun, red. Yung red. Yan. Big boy ang galing.
Yan, kay dreads ko.
Go, film eh.
Ayun yung galing.
This is from daddy.
Muna yung pangalan.
What's that?
Wow, race truck.
It's a dump truck. Ito muna.
Sabi mo, kanino galing?
Open mo na yan.
Tito Wiz.
Hello.
Ano to?
Kanino yan? From? Daddy and mama again. Sino kaya yan? Ala.
Pulbi yata yan.
Yun yata ang favorite ni Kel to.
Yan, kanino galing yan, Mary? O yan, kanino galing yan?
Daddy and mommy daw.
Ah.
Yan. Ano yan?
Wow, what's that? Kel. Kel. Look, it's a remote control. Wow. Oh, wow. Ay. Oh. Oh, yan. Ay, no, look. From Mama and Daddy. Oh. Sino kaya yan? What's that? What's that? Wow, a race truck!
Sino to? Yan yung green. Sino yung green?
Oh. It's from Tito Dre. Ano? Tito Monica and Ellie.
Okay, put them inside mo na.
Oh, anong... It's from...
Daddy,
I know, it's from Tito Monica, Tito Dre, and Ellie. Ano kaya naman?
Daddy and mommy. Ano for daddy and mommy?
Ay? Oh.
Okay.
What's that? Wow, gears! Wow! Gears! Next.
O, kanino galing yan?
Oh, from?
Daddy and mama.
Okay. It's from Mama ulit. Mama and Daddy.
Kanino galing yan?
Lalo, mapahindreto sa paimetong.
Oh. Come on, uy. Sige, open mo na lang yung sa'yo, nak. May...
Another gift na.
What?
Bongga, sino mo regalo?
Kanino yan?
Yeah.
Oh, galing kay?
Tama ang daddy.
Okay. Oh.
Hoy, open mo muna ibang gifts. Ayan, ang dami pa.
Wow! Parehas sila ni Ellie. Ano yan? It's Paw Patrol. Wow! Wow! Oh, later na. Next. Oh, go, Kel. Madyan lang kaya. Trash bag. Open mo. Ayan o.
Na, papag-grade tayo mo na yun. David Jockey, kaso lang magkasama.
Wow! Pajama!
Saan mo na to?
Dami.
Sit down, sit down.
Kabuklat na.
It's from Lola Lynn. Nasaan? Oh, yun.
Wow! What's that, Ellie?
Hoy! Meron ka na.
Ang tagal mo ang bukas ni Kelly.
Oh. Wow! Magnetic tile scale.
Salat.
Wow!
Gulo na ng video ko.
Wow! What will you say to Lola Lynn? Thank you, Lola Lynn. Oh, next. Oh, it's from, kanino yan? Basahin mo muna. It's from Lola Del. Oh, anong regalo ni Lola Del? Oh,
Kanino galing yan? You read first.
Cheese.
Kanino galing? Oh, show it to the camera. Wow, Paw Patrol.
wow. Oh,
Thank you. Next.
welcome.
Dito, dito.
Oh,
Yung name mo.
Oh, read mo muna, read.
dapat matagal. Okay, wow. Oh,
Okay.
lagay mo muna dan. Anak, kanino yan galing? Oh, Kel from Lola Lynn. Oh, it's from Lola Lynn. Open.
Battery din yan?
Wow, dalawa lang. Bakit dalawa lang to?
Ay, may ilaw lang battery. Hindi mo kasi matingnan yan kasi ano eh, naka-plastic. Yung adjuster. Wow! Ito hindi.
Kel. Kel, can you spell your name?
Yeah.
Kel. Again. Spell. K. Next. I. E. L.
Yeah.
Kel. Good job. Ito kanino gift yan?
Yeah.
Oh, Kel yan. Sa'yo na naman. Ito. Ano yan? Spell mo nga.
Yeah.
Kel. Wow, dami gift.